In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect geometry in Fusion 360. Whether you're checking a critical clearance, confirming a hole size, or verifying an angle before manufacturing, measuring in Fusion 360 is quick and reliable once you know where to look. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360. Give the design a moment to load, then position your view so the area you want to inspect is easy to see. Use orbit, pan, and zoom to frame the part closely. The closer you are, the easier it is to select the exact point, edge, or face you need. Next, head to the toolbar at the top and open the Inspect menu. This menu gathers analysis tools in one place, and for most day-to-day checks, you'll use the Measure tool. Click Measure to bring up a small results palette. Your cursor is now ready to pick geometry, and the palette will update live as you make selections. To check a distance, click the first reference and then the second. These can be vertices, edges, or faces. For example, click one corner point and then another to see the straight line distance between them. If you click a face and then a parallel face, you'll get the separation between those surfaces. The readout typically shows the total distance and, when relevant, the X, Y, and Z components, which helps you understand direction. To check an angle, select two edges or two faces that meet or intersect. The palette will display the angle between them. This is especially handy for verifying chamfers or draft angles before you commit to a fabrication step. To confirm a diameter, select a circular edge or a cylindrical face. The Measure tool recognizes round geometry and reports the diameter right away. If you select a single arc or edge, you can also see radius and length information depending on the geometry. A few tips for accurate picks. Watch for the highlight cues as you hover. Edges, faces, and vertices glow to confirm what you're about to select. Zoom in when you need a precise snap, and use the view cube to orient the model so your references are clearly visible. If you accidentally pick the wrong thing, just clear the selection in the palette or press Escape and try again. The results palette can stay open while you move around the model, so you can make several checks in a row without restarting the command. Remember, the numbers you see follow your document's units, so they'll match your design settings. That's all there is to it. Open your model, go to Inspect, choose Measure, and click the faces, edges, or vertices you want to inspect. With these basics, you can confidently verify the geometry that matters most.